If you're looking to learn how to segment subscribers by purchase history in Mailchimp, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do this and why it's crucial for optimizing your email marketing strategy. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll not only have a clear understanding of how to segment your Mailchimp subscribers, but also learn about a special way you can get the most out of Mailchimp with an extended free trial. First, let's talk about why segmentation is so important. By segmenting your subscribers based on their purchase history, you're tailoring your messaging to match the interests and needs of specific groups. This means more relevant emails, higher engagement, and ultimately, better sales conversions. Next thing, getting started with Mailchimp. You need to have a Mailchimp account to begin, but don't worry, if you don't have one yet, you can sign up and try Mailchimp completely free from the first link in the description below. Now, once you're logged in, we'll dive into creating segments based on your subscribers' purchase history. The third thing is to make sure you've set up e-commerce tracking. If you're selling products online, you'll need to connect your e-commerce platform to Mailchimp. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or another platform, syncing your store with Mailchimp will allow you to track customer purchases and behavior automatically. This step is crucial because Mailchimp can't segment by purchase history without this data. Once everything is synced, it's time to create your segment. Go to your Audience tab and click on Manage Contacts, then select Segments. You'll see an option to create a new segment. Now, when you're setting up the segment criteria, choose the option that says Purchase Activity. This will allow you to segment based on things like the number of purchases, the amount spent, or the last time a customer made a purchase. The fifth thing you should do is use these filters effectively. For example, you can create a segment of customers who spent over a certain amount in the last month. Or, if you're running a promotion, you might want to target customers who haven't made a purchase in the last 90 days. This is a great way to re-engage dormant customers. Next thing, if you're offering personalized promotions or recommendations, this is where purchase history really shines. You can send emails to customers recommending products based on what they've bought before. You could also create a special offer for customers who have made a certain number of purchases. The seventh thing, consider using these segments for automations. If you've segmented your subscribers based on their purchase activity, you can set up automated workflows that send targeted messages at the right time. For example, you could send a thank you email after a purchase or send a reminder to customers who have abandoned their cart. The last thing, and this is a crucial step, is to keep testing and refining your segments. The beauty of Mailchimp is that it gives you the data you need to see how your segmented campaigns perform. If you notice that one segment isn't responding as expected, it's time to tweak your strategy. Test different filters, messaging, or timing and see what works best. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that if you're not using Mailchimp yet, you can get started with an exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description below. This is a great way to explore all the powerful features of Mailchimp, including segmentation by purchase history at no cost. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide on how to segment subscribers by purchase history in Mailchimp has been helpful. Don't forget to check out the link for that extended free trial and make the most of Mailchimp's powerful tools to boost your email marketing strategy.